Let's look at a practical application of composite functions. I kept it simple, the formulas, just so we can kind of get an understanding of how composite functions work in the real world. You might have sales. Sometimes they're $15 off, sometimes they're 10% off, or whatever percentages, and sometimes they allow you to combine those. We know the composition, the order matters, so let's see if we can come up with the right formula and figure out which one would be to the store's advantage. So if I have $15 off and X stands for my original price, then my f of X is very simply going to be X minus 15. If it's 10% off, my G of X then would be original price X minus 10% of the original price, 0.10 times X, which simplifies to 0.90X. That should make sense because if it's 10% off, you are paying 90%, and 90% of the original would be 0.90X. Okay, so what if we want to first take the $15 off and then the extra 10%? Well, in that case, F is the taking $15 off and G is the extra 10. So I would first have to do the $15 one. I'd have to do F first and then apply G next. So what I really want to do is G of whatever F of X is. So that means I'm going to take G of the X minus 15, which means I'm going to take 0.90 times that, and distributing, we come up with 0.90X minus 1350. That would be a way to just directly calculate the final price. Now, what if we did it the other way around? What if we said that we want to first take the percentage off and then the $15? Well, if I want to first take off the percentage, that means I have to do G first, and then we'll apply F. So on this one, you would actually be doing F of G of X. So F of G of X is F of 0.90X. I plug that into F's formula, which is just simply subtract 15. That's going to actually be the better deal. If I can get that to go away. That is going to be the better deal. It is not going away. Oh my. Sometimes this thing goes crazy. So that's the better deal for you. But if you're the store manager, you're going to say, no, we first take the dollar off, then we apply the percent off. And if you're a shopper at Kohl's, you know that's how they always do it. Let me know if you have any questions.